Hello, everybody. At this time, we are talking about a savings account. A savings account is an account at a bank or credit union that is designed to hold your money. Savings accounts typically pay a modest interest rate, but they are considered safe for parking cash that you want available for short-term needs. Some savings accounts pay a higher yield than other saving accounts. They may have some limitations on how often you can withdraw funds. Generally, savings accounts offer flexibility that can be ideal for building an emergency fund, saving for a short term goal like buying a car or going on vacation, or simply earning a little interest on your savings. And then, why you need a savings account? These accounts are a smart place for your emergency fund or savings for short-term goals such as a vacation or home repair. They keep your savings separate from your everyday spending cash and earn interest, which helps increase your overall balance without extra effort on your part. The best savings accounts pay high yields, charge few or no fees, and have low minimum opening deposit requirements. You'll often find these features at online only banks. They don't have the cost associated with brick and mortar banks and pass those savings on to their customers. However, even accounts with monthly fees often provide ways to waive them. And then, what are the benefits of having a savings account? The first benefit, you can park your funds in a secure deposit account that earns a fixed interest, ensuring your savings are safe and grow at a steady rate. And then the second benefit, you gain access to exclusive deals, cashbacks, and reward programs with some variants of savings accounts. Third, it can serve as a one-stop solution for managing all your finances, including tasks such as transferring money, paying bills, shopping, and making investments via net banking or mobile banking. And then fourth, you get access to a debit card, allowing you to withdraw cash with ease whenever you need funds. And then, what are the different types of savings accounts? The first type, regular savings account. A traditional savings account can be a safe place to put your cash or save for a goal. The interest rate you may see on a regular savings account can vary based on the bank and the market. And then the second, online savings account. Online savings accounts operate like regular savings accounts, but your primary way of accessing them is online or with a mobile app. Depending on the bank, There may not be any physical locations to go to when you have a question or want to deposit money into the account. Often, online savings accounts offer slightly higher interest rates than regular savings accounts. And then third, child, teen, and student savings accounts. Child or teen savings accounts help younger people start saving. They may have some additional features designed to make saving fun for kids, such as educational programs or interactive features. Kids or teens savings account often don't have account fees but usually pay a lower interest rate than regular savings account. Student or college savings accounts are meant to help college students get off to a solid start financially. And then fourth, IRA savings accounts. You can use a savings account for retirement. An IRA savings account gives you the tax advantages of either as traditional minus the investment risk. The downside is that your retirement savings may not grow as much in a savings account as they would in an investment account. And then, how many savings accounts should you have? You can open as many savings account as you need with your bank. The number of accounts will depend on your personal situation and whether your bank has rules about account limits. There are certainly benefits to having more than one saving account. You can separate your savings for different needs and goals such as emergencies, travel, entertainment, etc. Bucketing your money models makes it easy to manage and track your progress with those specific goals. Having multiple accounts with one bank may also simplify your banking experience as you can access all your accounts through the same online and mobile banking platform. And then how to open a savings account. The first step, compare banks. Compare different banks by checking fees, rates, and minimum balance requirements. Savings accounts don't generate much interest, so all the charges will disappear into the money deposited. And then second, check eligibility. For customers who prefer a credit union, the first thing is to check for eligibility. The relevant information can be found online or by speaking to a credit union customer's agent. And then third, gather all personal documents. Before an account is opened, it is best for a customers to gather up all the data that will be needed by the bank, such as social security number, driver's license, or military identification. Opening an account requires the customers to be above the age of 18. However, the requirements vary from one bank to another. So it is best to inquire from the customer service representatives. And then finally fourth, open and fund the account. Once the right credit union or bank is found, open an account that is easy to manage or make deposits into accounts. Accounts with a higher interest rate suit customers who make considerably huge deposits. After the account is all set up, the last step is usually to fund it with some money. It can be done immediately or at a time when the customer is able to do it. It is enough. Thanks for watching.